Hey now, Gem. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. I love connecting with people. Here's why. The most important things in life are the connections you make with others. I love supporting others because we cannot live only for ourselves. 1,000 fibers connect us with our fellow men, and among those fibers, as along sympathetic threads, our actions run as causes, and they come back to us as effects. I have very simple strategies to impact my world through smashing communication. Communication is the solvent of all problems and is the foundation for personal development. Great communication begins with connection. My mission in life is not merely to survive, but to thrive, and to do so with some passion, some compassion, some humor, and some style. I'm Todi. I am an explorer, discoverer of life, a pilgrim on paths less trodden. I am not Beyonce or Kim Kardashian, so I probably need to introduce myself. Find snapshots of me in my habitat doing what I love to do best in the playlist. I've probably been there, so I may speak your language or connect you with someone who does. I enjoy chatting, finding out ways to make an impact, connecting with smashing people who desire to contribute in their own unique ways to impact the world positively. When I meet people, my question to myself is, how can this life be better because of me? So make my day, connect with me. Let's network and share how to start, improve and grow together in various fields, areas, careers. Talking about our experiences helps others. I create groups because I have a passion to smash negativity and smash suicide. I'll send a list of my groups below in the comment. Why not smash the art of living? Look after our all-round well-being, physically, emotionally, occupationally, financially, intellectually, socially, spiritually. Live and let live. Let's connect with others, bearing in mind that I am just like you, human, fallible, and unique, so I respect you just the way you are. Can you do the same for me and others? If you'd like to grow your network, here's a simple place to start. Comment happy to connect on your social media handles on this video and follow interested people in the comment section. If everybody does the same, the chain will grow. Together, we can heal the world. Make it a better place for you and me and the entire human race. Let us change our world one word at a time. Just do it. Now, Gem, smash it. I look forward to getting better every day in every way too. Now, Gem, be smashing. Together, let's smash it. Smash the art of living at Todi Gem. I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the water to create many ripples. Smash it now, Gem. Subscribe to Todi Gold. Be smashing. Subscribe to Todi Gem. And connect on social media. Follow us on Facebook. Join the conversation on Now Gem All Life Matters. Let's change our world, one little heartbeat at a time, with every word and smile. Thank you.